Make yourself comfortable. Forget the stress for a moment and join us for some surprising, entertaining, and unforgettable moments. That flip went wrong, though luckily she wasn't hurt. They came prepared with life jackets before getting on the water. That was a close call, but luckily he was okay. Who else thought that statue was completely real? That little ride clearly decided it was done for the day. Please don't mess around like this near the water. It's too risky. Safety comes first, buddy. Thankfully, he was completely fine. It was just bad luck, and that table gave up fast. She looks like she's practically flying back there. Has anyone else ever gotten stuck like this before?
What? What the fuck?
Be careful around animals and try not to get too close. She slipped and fell straight into the water, but thankfully she was fine. Looks like he was a little heavier than he expected.
Oh my god, if you made that.
That boat entry did not go the way he expected. Learning how to swim can help keep you safer in the water. Be careful out there because that snow is much slipperier than it looks.
Timer starts. No. 5.
Does anyone here know why that just happened? Good thing he's okay after that mishap. Be careful coming down, girl, but she's okay. He lost his footing on the oil and fell, but he's fine.
Help me! Help me! Nigga! Help me! Nice. Y aquí.
He lost his footing and fell, but he's fine. Thankfully, only the car took the hit from that gate. Something feels off here, but luckily, he's fine. That wave came straight at her, but thankfully, she's fine.
A Meowton.
Wear some protective gear next time, but thankfully, he's okay. She saw it coming and moved out of the way just in time. Run. I wasn't paying attention and ran into the pole, but he's okay.
Life check.
Fortunately, no one got hurt when everything tipped over. He trusted his buddy completely, but his buddy had other plans.
Hose either.
Looks like this one is going to cost more than expected.
Let's go! Wow. L'angle de vue, c'est important.
Looks like the trampoline mat finally decided to give up. That chicken is way more aggressive than it looks. That kick didn't land, but fortunately, she wasn't hurt.
No way.
Fortunately, he wasn't hurt after that fall. I went down with the bike, but thankfully, he's okay. We can all relax now because she's completely okay. He lost his footing and fell, but he's fine. Her face tells the whole story without saying a word. Thankfully, she's perfectly fine after that moment. Thankfully, it was only a brief loss of control and everyone was okay. Can someone explain what just happened up there? Slow down a little, buddy, and be careful out there.
I'm gonna show you. I'm gonna make you cry.
He's fine, and thankfully, he wasn't hurt. Thanks for being here and enjoying these incredible moments with us. We hope you had a good time, and there'll be plenty more surprises waiting for you next time.